everybody, and welcome back to Ginkgo with us. I'm Katie, and today I'll be showing you my way of making Gel Maclin, which is a loud, spicy tomato dipping sauce. Let's get started. Alright, so this recipe is so simple, guys, and it is super delicious. It's one of my favorite spicy dipping sauces, and I like to dip my rice and my meat and anything else I can get into this sauce because I'm telling you, it's super tasty. So for this recipe, you're gonna need your main ingredient, which is tomatoes, some Thai chili peppers. They can be green or red, doesn't really matter. You're gonna need lime, cilantro, and garlic. And we have optional shallots, which we're gonna put in there today. And then we have sugar and fish sauce. To get started with this recipe, you're just going to take your tomatoes and cut them into quarters. So we did use 6 tomatoes for that, and then we're gonna use 2 shallots and just cut them in half and add them to your baking tray. We're also going to add, it's about half of a head of garlic. So this was 7 cloves, give or take. And we're gonna use 1 pepper for every tomato that we put in, so it's 6 peppers. But if you like it more spicy, put more peppers. If you don't like it as spicy, then put less peppers. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees, and we're gonna place the baking tray that we prepared with the tomatoes, garlic, shallots, and peppers, and we're gonna put that in the oven. You're gonna wanna roast this for about 15 to 20 minutes, just until it gets a little charcoaled on the outside. Okay, so it has been 15 minutes, and I'm gonna take out the shallots, garlic, and peppers because they are done. And I'm gonna leave the tomatoes in for maybe another 5 to 10 minutes. They look pretty roasted. So I got my mortar and my pestle here, and I'm just gonna grab the roasted peppers, shallots, and garlic and place it inside. You're gonna wanna smash it all up. All right, so these are still extremely hot, so be very careful, but I am gonna add them into the mortar. And you're not really going to smash them like very vigorously. You're just gonna do it just enough so that the tomatoes do break down into a sauce. I can already smell it, and I'm excited to eat it. When you get the sauce to the desired consistency, pretty much just looks like this, you're gonna wanna add your fish sauce and your sugar. So we're gonna start with a tablespoon of sugar and a tablespoon of fish sauce. We're also gonna add in the juice of 1 whole lime. ever having a barbecue at home, you're gonna have guests over, this is a sauce to make a good impression because it really complements a lot of barbecued meats. And we always serve this at our barbecues, and it's always a hit, and it's always all gone at the end of the day. All right, so at this point, you can taste your sauce, and you can adjust for fish sauce or lime as you need. That's good. I like it just the way that it is, because I like things that are a little bit more sour than maybe other people like. So maybe if you don't like too much sour, then put a little bit less than a whole lime in there. But I like it exactly like this, and that's how I'm gonna eat it, and it has just the right amount of spice. This sauce is fire.
I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's one of my personal faves. Please leave me any of your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Lao recipes.